Vermeer Manufacturing is a company that operates at a global level for the production and distribution of strategic technologies in the field of installation and renovation of underground networks and connections all over the world. Cortina D'Ampezzo, Queen of the Dolomites, is an exclusive but generous location for the holidays for visitors from Italy and all over the world. Exclusive travel destination for winter holidays, thanks to 120 kilometers of ski tracks that surround it, a proper ski paradise, and at the same time, a favorite summer choice, given its 400 kilometers of roads for tourists to enjoy strolls through breathtaking landscapes with an amazing charm. Especially for these reasons, Cortina keeps a close eye on social, economic, and technological development of the city and of the surrounding areas. Cortina has been chosen, together with Milan, to host the 2026 Olympic Games and the 2021 Alpine World Ski Championship. A great honor, but also a great commitment when we think about all the work that is necessary to prepare and organize this kind of events. Cortina already hosted the Olympic Games in 1956, when a very young Sophia Loren was the patroness. She was stunning, while broadcasting by the first RAI TV cameras. 70 years later, structures have been refurbished and improved in order to host the Olympic Games. Cortina is once again worthy of the honor and the commitment, managing all the structural projects created to put allure and technology together. Vermeer Technologies reached Cortina to support the city in some of its key projects: smart road, underground installation of electrical and phone lines, and optic fiber laying for broad and ultra-broadband connections. Vermeer equipment is working both in Cortina and in the surrounding valleys on the main road connections, as for example, the Di Almagna, Belluno, Cortina State Road. In order to do so, highly specialized operators are using two main systems: rock wheel trenchers and horizontal directional drilling technology. The choice between these two systems depends on general and environmental circumstances, and also on the kind of soil to be worked on. Different from traditional excavating systems, trencher technology allows the excavation of a defined, narrow trench. It has many advantages: more speed and precision in project execution. This technology is from 3 to 5 times faster than traditional excavating systems. Reduction of costs and working times. This also limits the social costs of the project. Reduction of travel limitations on road and motorways. Reduction of equipment on the job site. Less production of excavated materials that need to be disposed. Material can be used as filler material. In these specific projects, companies are using rock wheel trenchers on wheels, which are great for the excavation of trenches on road surfaces. These are essential for the laying of optic fiber cables for the Smart Road project. Horizontal directional drilling is a technology that allows the installation of underground networks without excavation. It is possible to go beyond obstacles like roads, railways, and rivers without digging. A sequence of controlled drilling rods is inserted underground in order to create a path for the cable or pipeline that has to be laid. The laying consists of 3 steps. A directional drilling head followed by the rods executes the pilot bore, reaming, widening of the drilling road done along the drilling layout. The cable or pipeline that has to be installed is pulled by the drill head and rods inside the drilling bore. The advantages provided by this technology are numerous, such as there is no need for traditional surface excavation, and therefore there are no limitations for the circulation of road vehicles, a very important aspect, especially on mountain locations. Traditional excavation system would cause serious limitations of traffic. Job site equipment is highly reduced. There is no need for handling high quantities of excavated material, and the job site area is reduced. Environmental impact is notably reduced. Restoration costs are lowered. It is possible to install networks in city centers and on surfaces with high architectural value without damages. It is possible to install underground networks in complex contexts too. Road and railway crossings, hydric reservoirs, slopes. In Cortina project sites, where horizontal directional drilling technology has been considered suitable for cable laying, the adoption of this system clearly enhances these advantages. Smart Road Project consists of the creation of intelligent roads that can communicate with vehicles. They can get information about traffic, weather broadcasts, and roadworks thanks to the optic fiber connections. The aim is to increase safety on the road and to supervise traffic in order to get up-to-date information in real time to solve an issue that matters a lot, especially in an environment like the valleys of Cortina. The second important project is the underground laying of high-voltage cables. The aim is to avoid aerial structures in order to preserve safety in the windy valleys and the beauty of the landscape.
C'è finalmente quell'attenzione, ma soprattutto quelle risorse e quelle possibilità per poter mettere a terra, come si dice in gergo, quelle opere che altrimenti sarebbe stato molto difficile mettere a terra. In particolare sul discorso di cablaggio e di fibra, eccetera, si stanno facendo degli importantissimi investimenti che grazie proprio a queste macchine nuove vostre riescono a creare dei disagi che sono limitati rispetto a una volta. Beh, allora, i grandi eventi sono l'opportunità per realizzare grandi opere, quindi quello che ci interessa non è tanto organizzare al meglio l'evento, che logicamente ci interessa molto, ma ci interessa la ricaduta e l'eredità che queste opere hanno sulla comunità. Quindi noi siamo molto contenti di aver ottenuto prima i mondiali e dopo le Olimpiadi, proprio perché siamo consapevoli del fatto che le ricadute a lungo termine sulla comunità saranno positive. Noi stiamo ancora vivendo, ricordo che Cortina ha avuto le Olimpiadi nel 1956, stiamo ancora vivendo di quell'eredità, non è stato fatto niente purtroppo per molti anni a Cortina, non niente ma insomma poco rispetto a quello che andava fatto, quindi ci troviamo a dover fare parecchio contemporaneamente tutto adesso. Sono sicuro che le ricadute saranno notevoli, importanti, soprattutto in termini di mobilità, quindi viabilità e parcheggi, ma anche perché già si vede un certo fermento nelle attività ricettive, per esempio, che cominciano finalmente a riprendersi e a essere rinnovate, e si crea questo volano positivo che porta a investimenti che poi hanno ricadute positive su tutti.
Job sites are still at work on the roads that are going to bring us to a future where Cortina and Italy will keep shining, thanks to the help of technicians and specialized operators that are working as a team. The purpose is simply to bring all the Italian beauty into a frame of advanced technological infrastructures. Vermeer has been supporting these projects for more than 25 years with a dedicated team and a network of specialized sales and service assistants.